Quick analysis is a feature in Excel that allows you to quickly apply formatting and calculations to selected data. When you select range of cells in Excel, a small button with a lightning bolt icon appears in the lower right corner of the selection. Clicking on this button opens the Quick Analysis tool, which offers several options for formatting and analyzing the data. The options in Quick Analysis include formatting options such as conditional formatting, data bars, and color scales, as well as calculation options such as totals, averages, and percentages. You can also use Quick Analysis to create charts and pivot tables based on your selected data. Quick Analysis is a convenient way to quickly analyze and format your data without having to manually apply formatting or write formulas. It can save you time and make it easier to present your data in a clear and visually appealing way.